Being the owner of Hines Pool and Spa is a joy, a privilege, and a responsibility. We get to add value to our customers' lives by helping them enjoy their time with friends and family in and around their pool. We add value to our employees by providing them with a meaningful job where they can grow and use their skills in serving others. And the work we do blesses us with resources we can share with others in need. I worked for another pool company in Austin for many years before deciding to take a leap of faith and start my own company in 1986. It was a humble beginning. I started with just one account, just one vehicle, but I also had one other thing that kept me going. A singular focus to grow the company by consistently delivering superior customer service. Frankly, it wasn't that hard when it was just me, but I was blessed with steady opportunities to grow, and that meant recruiting and developing other talented people who were also devoted to exceptional customer service. Now we have more than 50 employees, 30 trucks, and more than 1,500 residential and commercial accounts. My early mentors in the pool industry taught me so much and helped me get my start. So I've been eager to pay it forward and help others, not just in Austin, but across the country. I love serving as an instructor for the Pool and Hot Tub Alliance Certified Pool Operator course, and I conduct regularly training classes for the next generation of Austin pool cleaners and technicians. Outside of work, I'm passionate about serving the YMCA of Austin, along with my church and other ministry projects. I'm especially proud of my employees here at Hines Pool and Spa and the family culture we've built together. The pool industry is somewhat transient with a high rate of turnover. You've seen it yourself when you walk into a pool supply store and continually see new faces with limited experience. But at Hines Pool and Spa, our average tenure is 8 years. A number of our service technicians have worked for us for 12 years, and 10 of our employees have been with us over 20 years. We've invested heavily in our own people, personally and professionally, that gives them the knowledge, confidence, experience, and the heart to take care of you. So we look forward to meeting you and serving you any way we can with clearly better service.